Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure or manage your camera and microphone permissions to the sites in Chrome on computer. So launch the Chrome browser and go to Chrome:/settings in your address bar. Once you are here, go to privacy and security, and at the extreme bottom in the privacy and security you have the site settings. Select that, and here under the permission sections you have different permissions or services that you can allow or block. Now say suppose I want to block the camera for all sites. I can just choose here, switch to the radio, do not allow sites to use camera, and it will block the camera for all sites. Similarly, I can also configure for location and the microphone where I can choose do not allow. So this will just turn off the camera and microphone access to all the sites. However, if I want to configure at a site level, so I can just open any website, and after visiting that particular website, I can click on this customize icon in the address bar, and here I would be able to see the camera and microphone is turned off because I have just turned off from here. But however, if the option is not here, so you can go to the site settings here and select that, which will bring the site specific permissions for each individual website. Now say suppose the camera and microphone is blocked for all sites, but however for BrowserHow.com I want to enable the microphone access. I can just quickly switch to allow, which will just allow the microphone on the BrowserHow. Now if I just reload that particular page and check here, and you can see the microphone option is enabled. Now if I go back to the site settings and go to microphone, you would be able to see the list of sites that is currently allowed, and you can see the BrowserHow has been allowed for the microphone. So in this way you can customize the camera and microphone settings for individual sites, or you can set it at a system level or the browser level if you want. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.